we are expecting some question from commissioning, and as 43 talks about commissioning, let's first go through common jargons that we use in commissioning. First of all, what is commissioning? Commissioning is implements a quality oriented process. So commissioning is focused on quality. Uh, and the process is there for achieving, verifying, and documenting that the performance of facility system and assembly meets the defined objective and criteria. So this is all about the commissioning. Now, the owner's project requirement. So for a project, the stakeholder and the most important stakeholders are the owner who is paying for the project. They must have their requirement ready, and the requirement of the owners are called owner's project requirement. So usually a project is the commissioning work is based on the owner's project requirement. Um, recommissioning applies if you have a project where commissioning is already been done, but in some scenario, maybe after 1 year, you want to perform the commissioning again. So that is going to call the recommissioning. Retro commissioning. So retro commissioning applies if you are not sure whether the commissioning job has been previously done or not. In that scenario, we are going to have it called, if you do the commissioning again, it is going to be called as retro commissioning because you do not have the data of previous commissioning work. BOD is the basis of design. It is a document that records the concept, the calculation and decisions, and the product selection used for the OPR. The OPR. So let's say OPR is about the owner's project requirement. If owner project provides the requirement, based on the owner's project requirement, we are going to have basis of design developed. Commissioning authority, whosoever is going to do the commissioning job or the commissioning authority. Commissioning authority is being delegated by the project owners. Commissioning plan is made by the commissioning authority. Whosoever responsible for commissioning should make the commissioning plan. Construction checklist. Obviously, there is always some construction checklists. So all the checklists will be made by the commissioning team. Current facility requirement, whatever the current facility requirements are, okay, this one is important for you. The owner's project requirement is there at the very beginning of the project, but in a certain time, owner might have a different requirement than they have earlier. So the requirement sometimes changes. And as a HVAC expert, you must identify the current facility requirement too. So if there are some changes required, you must implement those changes in your design.